tastiest unicorn world. Today we're going to be unboxing and reading this Disney Frozen box. I like that it's shaped as a snowflake and you can carry it. It's simple. And there's like 12 books inside. I'm going to show you all of them. Here is the packaging. I'm going to turn the back so you can... Here's all the titles. Elsa's Magic, Olaf the Snowman, Anna's Busy Day, Who is Kristoff, Sven Cares, Troll Taught Trouble, Achoo, Knock Knock, Frozen Food, Seasons, F is for Frozen, Go Sister Go. Let's get this open. Wow, look at all the books. What should we start with? Maybe Frozen Food. Frozen Food. Sweet Food. Healthy Food. Green Food. Baby Food. And Frozen Food. Next one is called Achoo. Oh no, Elsa has a cold. Achoo. Elsa sneezes and snow geese appear. Achoo. Elsa sneezes again. More snow geese. Olaf loves the snow geese. Anna takes care of her sister. And Olaf takes care of his little Snoogie brothers. F is for Frozen. F is for Fluffy Frosting. F is for Falling Flowers. F is for Frozen Face. F is for Furry Feathers. F is for 5 Friends. And there is the end of that. Knock knock. Hey Sven, do you want to hear a knock knock joke? Great. Knock knock. Snort. Who's there? Olive. Olive who? Snort. Oh Sven, I love you too, buddy. Go, sister, go. Sisters hop and hop, hop. Sisters run and they don't stop. Sisters catch and sisters throw. Sisters slide down slippery snow. Sisters rest and count their sheep. Shh, these sisters fell asleep. Who is Kristoff? Kristoff works as an ice harvester. He was raised by trolls. And his best friend is a reindeer. So he does not know many humans. But the more he meets, the more he likes them. And there. Anna's Busy Day. Anna wakes up in a rush. Her hair might need a little brush. Anna dresses nice and neatly. She skips outside, whistling sweetly. Anna enters a boarding race. She paddles fast and wins second place. The children ask Anna to play hide and seek. Anna counts and does not peek. Now Anna's busy day is done. Tomorrow will be just as much fun. Olaf. Some snowmen are icy. Some snowmen are sandy. Some snowmen are big. Some snowmen are small. And some snowmen are just right like Olaf. Elsa's Magic. Elsa is powerful. Do you know why? She rules the kingdom of Arendelle. She can solve any problem. She has a shoulder you can always lean on. and she can create beautiful things of snow and ice with her hands. Troll tot travel. Troll tots are climbing, look out below. Troll tots are stacking, head to toe. Troll tots are not eating, their heads shake no. Troll tots are eating, look at them go. Troll tots are stinky, hold your nose. Swen cares. Chip chop chip, Swen cares about art. Zzz, Swen cares about beauty sleep. Crunch crunch crunch, Swen cares about carrots. Hev ho, Swen cares about his friends. And Swen's friends care about him. Surprise!